Hey there! In this video, you're going to learn how to play the D7 chord, the most common version. But more importantly, I'm going to show you a system for learning to play this chord as quickly as possible so you can play your favorite songs. Hi there, I'm Tomas Michaud from Real Guitar Success, where I help you learn guitar and more importantly, to love the journey. With that out of the way, let's go ahead and get into the lesson. To form the D7, we're going to put our second finger on the third string, second fret, third finger on the first string, second fret, and then the first finger between them on the second string, first fret. Sounds like this. I'm also playing the open D string, that's the fourth string. So again, I'm putting my third finger, second fret, second finger, second fret, and in between on the second string, first fret, my first finger. And then I'm also hitting the open D. A good way to practice this is to just finger the chord. You can start with any finger you want. And then take your fingers off, put them back on. Do that about 10 times. Press down and really try to get close to the frets without getting on top of them. Then after you do that, start playing the chord and letting it ring. Just about 10 seconds. Just see if you can move your fingers around and get it sound better. Take your fingers off and do it again. Whoop. There we go. That's sounding pretty clear. So then after you've done that for a little while, you should have some dents in your fingers, you want to practice moving to other chords. A good chord to work with this chord is the G chord because they're together in the chord family. As a matter of fact, the three popular chords that work together are G, C, and D7. So I'd suggest an exercise where you play the G chord, maybe start with 4 strums each. C chord, 4 strums, then the D7, 4 strums, and G. That way you're practicing the movement from one chord to another. One tip, try to work towards getting your fingers down all at the same time. And you'll do that little by little. It's not something you can do at first, as opposed to just one finger at a time. Eventually, when you put your fingers down at once, it's much quicker to change chords. Now, when you can do the 4 strums per chord, cut it down to 2. Faster changing. And then finally 1 strum per chord. So a good song to practice this chord change would be This Land Is Your Land. It's in the key of G, and it uses the G, C, and D7. I'll do a very simple down strum just so we can focus on the chords. This land is your land. This land is my land. From California to the New York Islands, from the redwood forest to the Gulf Stream. You get the idea. Now you could always add a strum to that later. I might do something like this. This land is your land. This land is my land. And that's not the only strum. You could actually try a few different strums and see which one you like best. But focus on getting the chord change at first and learning that D7 so it becomes natural. I hope you've enjoyed this lesson. If you did, let me know in the comment fields below. And let me know if you have any suggestions for other videos that you'd like to see me make. If you haven't already, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click that little bell so you don't miss a thing. Remember that learning guitar is a journey, not a destination. And part of the process is becoming the best version of yourself. Let me know if there's other ways I can help you to love your guitar playing journey.